What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $1,000 per month online. Now the best part about this is you don't need that much to get started to make $1,000 a month online. Now a lot of people always ask, how do I create my first website, or how do I build a funnel, or how do I get clients in the door to do social media marketing and all this fun stuff, or sell stuff doing e-commerce, and that's great. Those are great businesses and great opportunities out there. But there's a website out there that's already created, already established, and anybody can use it. All right. So you want to make $1,000 this month? Let me show you exactly how you can do that right now. So here is what you need. All right. Let me explain how to make $1,000 per month online. It's actually very simple. Now, what do you need to start? Here's what you need to start. First, you need an eBay account. When you have an eBay account, you need to set up your own PayPal account, okay? You need those two accounts, and here's the reason why. eBay allows you to sell products online. PayPal is the payment processor, so that's how people pay you to get those products, all right? Next thing you need after that is I recommend $50 just to start, okay? Just to start. That's all you need, $50. And about 5 hours per week. Here's the reason why. I always get people telling me, in order to make $1,000, you gotta spend at least 50 hours a month to do that. 50 hours, that's a lot of time, right? I don't have that kind of time. But could you devote 5 hours a week to a certain business? If that means at the end of the month, 20 hours in, and you're gonna make $1,000, wouldn't you be more than willing to do that? Probably. But what most people do is they look at the business as a whole and look at $1,000 like, I can't make that much. It's just too much. I just can't do it. Okay. I want to break it down for you guys. Okay. Because it is possible. All you need is 5 hours a week, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Right. First off, $1,000 per month is $250 average per week, which comes out to about $33 per day. Not a lot of money, right? When you look at it as $1,000 in a month, that's a lot of money. But when you break it all the way down to $250 a week, that's not a lot. When you break it all the way down to $33 per day, that's not a lot of money. People can do this. Okay, it's very simple, and it's just by buying and selling stuff on eBay. I want to show you a couple things that I picked up today. This right here, it's a Maytag Refrigerator ice and water filter. This one right here, I ended up picking this up for $1, and I ended up getting this off of Facebook. Okay, the reason why I got this off of Facebook is because somebody was selling it. That's the only reason. You go to Facebook.com, you go to the Facebook Marketplace, and just see what people have, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me show you. Watch. So here I am on Facebook Marketplace, and this is all you have to do. And this is how I picked up this item. I got another item right down here that I'm going to explain, okay, how I did it, why I bought it, what I'm going to sell it for over on eBay, okay? So all I do is come here. This is the Facebook Marketplace, okay? Come down here, and if I think, I could sell this TI-83 graphing calculator for more than $50, I'm going to go see about negotiating with this person, get them down on their price, go and pick up the item, okay? Simple enough. If I think I can do the same thing with this Samsung S7, I'm going to try to negotiate the price, bring them down, go pick up the item, and then I'm going to sell it on eBay, okay? Simple enough. Now, I'm saying all you got to do is start with $50, and here's the reason why. The reason why all you need is $50 is because on Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist, or you could use apps like OfferUp or Let Go, the nice thing is people aren't always selling stuff for hundreds of dollars. A lot of the things they're selling, these little knickknacks and gadgets and stuff that they're just trying to get rid of and clean out their house, do a little spring cleaning, is they're trying to get rid of those things for $5, $10. So if you're able to buy 10 $5 items, perfect. If you can buy 5 $10 items, great. Whatever you can get that you can make some money on is the entire goal. Now, if you have no idea what to buy and you're struggling with that aspect of this business, I highly recommend you go check out my Thrift Store Profits Guide. It just shows you the different items, the different things you can go and buy from thrift stores, turn around, sell it on eBay, and make a profit. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. Now, this item right here, okay, this Maytag refrigerator ice and water filter, pick this up, okay, and look right here, sold about a week ago for $24.50. I can tell you right now, this is probably gonna cost me about $6 to ship it. Okay, $6, got it for $1, $7, after fees, let's say $3 in fees. Okay, $10, and I sell it for $25. I'm gonna make a decent amount of money. Okay, I'm gonna make what, $15? Not bad, right? $15. That's pretty good. Okay, that's one item. What's the next item? One of the things that I get asked all the time is, am I only looking for certain or specific items? Tools, clothing, electronics, phones, shoes. No, I'll buy just about anything. Okay. Case in point, here's another item right here. This is a Hamilton Beach. This is a breakfast burrito maker. Pick this up for $5. Okay. So pick this up for $5. Okay. It's a little bit bigger, bulkier item. This is probably cost me about, I'd say about $12 to ship. 12 to 15 to ship. So not bad. $5 buy cost. Okay. So if we look here, okay, it is brand new, still sealed. This one right here, let's see, this one sold for, what was that, 42 bucks. So $42 for that one. This one down here sold for 30. 20, that's pre-owned, open box, brand new. My guess is I'll be able to sell this for about $35 to $40. So let's say I sell it for $35, cost me $20 total. After fees, say about $4 in fees. So let's say $4 in fees, so about 24. Sell it for 35. I'm gonna make about $11 off it. Cost me $5. Okay, that item and this item cost me $6 total. So these two items right here cost me $6 total. And what did I say? This one's gonna make me about $10 and $11, something like that. So $10 and $11. I paid $6 for it, and I'm gonna make about $20, $21. Pretty good. Okay, paid $6, and I'm gonna make about $21. Okay, that's pretty good. That's more than doubling your money. Okay, if you want to make money, you want to make $1,000 a day or $1,000 a month, which comes out to about $33 a day. I am over halfway there on just these two items. Now I did pick up some other stuff as well, so I'm gonna sell those things also. I'm not going to show you those things because a couple of them are much bigger and you won't be able to see me because the one's a really big box. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm not showing you those. But here's what you got to understand. If you want to make $1,000 a month, don't look at it as $1,000 and it's such a big number and you just can't even fathom making an extra $1,000. Break it all the way down to $250 a week or $33 per day. Or maybe you break it down and you're going to work 6 hours. So that's really only 5 hours or $5 per hour that you need to make in order to make an extra $32 per day or $1,000 per week. Okay, it's actually very simple. But once you break it down and kind of look at the smaller numbers are more attainable and a little bit easier to achieve than that big number like $1,000. So if you look at it that way, it should be easier for you, right? So let me give you a tip really quick. When it comes to selling on eBay, all you got to do is pull up your eBay app. Get the eBay app on your phone. Go to eBay, okay? And you click on, search, and then you filter it by sold listings. And it's going to show you exactly what it did right here, okay? It's going to show you these green numbers, which means these are the items that have sold, okay? That's the only thing that matters. I don't care what other people are selling it for. All I care about is what something sold for previously, because then I know what I can ask for that item. The second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to buying stuff to resell on eBay is to negotiate every single price. Okay, because it doesn't matter if somebody's asking $50 for something. They can ask $1 million for all I care, but all that matters to me is what that product is actually worth. Sometimes the product is worth more than they're asking, so I'm happy to pay what they're asking. And there's so much room that even if I sell it for what it's currently selling for on eBay, and I buy it for what they're currently asking, I'll still try to get a little bit extra out of it, so a few bucks here and there. But as long as you're willing to negotiate, because people know on eBay or on Facebook and on Craigslist, people are usually come in and try to negotiate a lower price, so they set it a little bit higher, and that's just they're kind of accustomed to it. Someone's gonna come in and offer them a little bit less, and that's fine. Okay, that's the second tip, is to always negotiate. Third tip is to take any money that you make, reinvest it back into the business, because I guarantee you $50 per month is not going to make you $1,000 every single month. It just won't. Okay, yeah, you can take that $50, buy some products, and reinvest that money, and take that $50 and turn it into $250, maybe $500 over the first few weeks, and then take that $500 and reinvest it back into more products and turn that into $1,000 plus. But if you try to start with $50 every single month, it's going to make it much harder for you to actually scale. So I recommend just start with $50 today. And then in a couple of weeks, hopefully you have, $200, $300, $400 you can use, and take that and keep reinvesting it back into your business so that you eventually, you're not just making $1,000 a month, but hopefully you'll be making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, maybe $10,000 or more in this business. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you are curious as to how you can make more money, what products you should be selling, that's why I created and why I recommend Thrift Store Profits. Again, I'll put a link down in the description box below. Go and get it. Go and check it out. I guarantee you're going to love it. It's going to help you out. So if you have any questions on any of this, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. But like always, I'll see you guys on the next one.